Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Tullabul Lugat Arabi, my Arabic learners. Now, welcome to another part of our Learn Arabic. Now, inshallah, in today's video, we are going to be talking about 10 most useful phrases every day in Arabic. That are 10 most useful phrases every day that are in Arabic. That's 10 most useful phrases every day in Arabic. 10 most useful every day in Arabic. Now, the first phrases are indi fikra. That is indi fikrot. That is indi. You have indi. That's the first one. You have indi. That's indi. That's indi fikrot. Indi fikrot. That is indi. You can repeat that after me. Indi fikrot. That is, it means I have an idea. I have an idea. Indi fikra. Indi fikrot. That is, I have an idea. I have an idea. Now, how do you say I don't have an idea? How do you say I don't have an idea? That's the second most useful phrases. That is, you will say ma indi fikra. It's going to be ma indi. That is ma indi fikra. Ma indi fikra. Ma indi fikrot. That is ma indi fikrot. It means I don't have an idea. I don't have an idea. The first is indi. Indi, I have. Indi means I have. Then fikra, an idea. Indi fikrot, I have an idea. Indi fikra, I have an idea. Now the second phrase is so I don't have an idea. That is ma indi, I don't have. Ma indi fikrot, I don't have an idea. Fikrot is what? An idea. Then ma indi is I don't have. Ma indi, I don't have an idea. Now the third phrase is what do you think? How do you say that? What do you think, or what is your opinion? What do you think? How do you say it? What do you say? What do you think? You will say ma ra'yuk. Ma ra'yuk. That's ma ra'yuk. Ma ra'yuk. That is ma ra'yuk. Ma ra. This is ra. Ma ra. This is alif amsat sukun. Then we have ra fatha ra. Then ya. This is ma ra'yuka. Ma ra'yuka. Ma ra'yuka. That is if you are talking to a female. The kaf, you say ma ra'yuka. But for the female, it's going to be ma ra'yuki. Ma ra'yuki. For the female, it's going to be ma ra'yuki. But for the male, it's going to be ma ra'yuka. That is, what is your opinion? What is your opinion? Ma ra'yuki. Ma ra'yuki. That is, what is your opinion? Now, how do you say I don't know? I don't know. That is the number 4 most useful phrases. That is I don't know. How do you say that's in Arabic? You say ana la a'rifu. Ana la a'rif. Ana, that is ana la a'rif. Ana la a'rif. That is أنا لا أعرف. أنا لا أعرف. أعرف. أنا لا أعرف. You can repeat that after me. You say أنا لا أعرف. أنا لا أعرف. That is, I don't know. I don't know. أنا لا أعرف. Now how do you say I know? I know. That's going to be what? That's going to be أعرف or أنا أعرف. That's going to be أعرف. This is going to be what? أعرف. That is I know. أعرف. That's I know. I know. أعرف. I know. أنا لا أعرف. I don't know. أنا لا أعرف. I don't know. I know is what? أعرف. أعرف. That's I know. Now, how do you say don't worry? Don't worry. That is don't worry. This is also part of the most useful phrases in our everyday life. You say that is don't worry. How do you say don't worry? Don't worry. We normally use this kind of phrases. Don't worry. That is you will say la taqlaqo. That is la taqlaqo. That's number. We have number 4. That's la taqlaqo. La taqlaqo. La taqlaqo. La taqlaqo. That is don't worry. La taqlaqo. Don't worry. La taqlaqo. Now this is for the male. Now if you want to talk to the female, it's going to be la taqlaqi. That's a la taqlaqi. That's la taqlaqi. That is, this is for the female. It means don't worry. La taqlaqi. La taqlaqi. This is that's number. This is number 5 and number 5. I think la taqlaqo. La taqlaqo for the male. Now for the female, it's going to be la taqlaqi. La taqlaqi. Then we have number 6, which is I'm sorry. How do you say I'm sorry in Arabic? I'm sorry. You will say ana asifu. That's ana asifu. That is ana asifu. Ana asifu. Ana asifu. That is I'm sorry. Ana asifu. I'm sorry. It means I'm sorry. Ana asifu. Ana asifu. Or you say asifu. Just asifu. You don't need to add the pronoun. This ana, that is the pronoun. That is the pronoun. But if you say asifu, it means that is also correct. Asifu. That is I'm sorry. Now for the female, it's going to be ana asifatu. Ana asifatu. Ana asifatu. That is I'm sorry. This is for the female. If the female wants to say I'm sorry, she's going to say ana asifatu. Ana asifatu. But for the male is what? Ana asifu. Ana asif. For the female is going to be what? Ana asifatu. Ana asifatu. We have number 7. Now how do you say no problem? That is no problem. How do you say no problem in Arabic? How do you say no problem? You will say ma fi mushkila. That is ma fi mushkila. That's ma fi mushkila. That is ma fi mushkila. It means what? No problem. Ma fi mushkila. It means no problem. Or you say La tujad mushkila. La tujad. La tujad mushkila. That is La tujad mushkila. Ma fi mushkila. They have the same meaning. Ma fi mushkila. It means no problem. That is no problem. Ma fi mushkila. Or La tujad mushkila. La tujad mushkila. La tujad. That's La tujad mushkila. Ma fi mushkila. That is ma fi mushkila. Ma fi mushkila. No problem. Or you say La tujad mushkila. La tujad mushkilat. La tujad mushkila. It means no. It means no problem. That is no problem. Now, another most useful phrase is let's. That is let's. That is let's. Maybe let's go. Let's go home. Let's do this. That's going to be let's. 8. We have 8. That's 8. We are, and that is let. It means yalla. 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 It means what? Yalla. It means let or higher. Or higher. That it means what? Let. Yalla. That's yalla. Yalla or higher. Yalla nadhhab. That is yalla nadhhab. Nadhhab. That is yalla nadhhab. Yalla nadhhab. It means let's go. Yalla nadhhab. Let's go. Yalla. That's yalla nadhhab. Yalla nadhhab. Let's what? Let's go. Or you say haya nadhhab. Haya nadhhab. That's let's go. Yalla and haya, they both have the same meaning. They both have the what? They both have the same meaning. So yalla, let's do this. Haya na'mal. Haya na'mal. Now, how do you say what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Say ma ma'ana hada. That's number 9. We have ma ma'ana hada. Hada. That is, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Ma ma'ana hada. Ma ma'ana hada. What is the meaning of this? Ma ma'ana hada. What is the meaning of this? Ma ma'ana hada. What is the meaning of this? Now, how do you say one moment, please? One moment, please. You will say lahdatu min fallik. Lahdatu min fallik. That's number 10. We say lahdatu. That's a lahdatu. Lahdatu min fallik. Lahdatu min fallik. Lahdatu min fallik. That is, it means one moment, please. That is one moment. That is one moment, please. One moment, please. Lahdatu. Lahdatu. It means lahda. You can repeat this after me. Lahda. That's a lahdatu. 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 It means one moment. Min fallika, please. Fallu, that are min fallika, that is please. Lahdatu min fallika, one moment, please. Lahdatu min fallika, that is one moment, please. Lahdatu min fallik, that's one moment, please. Lahdha, that are you have lahdatu, lahdha. Ha, it is ha, we say it is lahdatu. Min fallik, one moment, please. Now, so these are the most common Arabic phrases. So if this is your first time of watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share. So see me in my next video. Thanks for watching.